Hello class 7th. Today we are going to study about some properties of the triangle. As we have done earlier also, the two properties we have done in the last videos: external angle property and angle sum property. These two properties we have already covered in our last sessions. Now today's topic is sum of the lengths of the two sides. This is basically inequality property. In which, let us assume this is a triangle A, B, C. So according to this property, the length, suppose this length I am taking as A centimeter, this length is B centimeter, and this is C centimeter. So according to this property, A plus B is always greater than the third side. That means sum of any two sides. You can take any two sides. If you are adding the two sides, sum of two sides will always be greater than the third side. There are three sides in a triangle. So if you are taking any two sides, the sum of any two sides will always be greater than the third side. Now why is it so? So for that we can take one example. Suppose in a playground, or we can assume 3 points in a playground, A, B and C. Okay, and suppose you are playing a game in which you have to go from A point to B point. You have to reach from this point, you have to come here. So there are two ways, two routes for going there. One route is you can go directly A to B, or the other routes are you can go to C point, and then from C to you are coming to the B point. So if you are doing like that, there are two routes I have explained here. So in which route you think that you have covered lesser distance? Clearly we have covered lesser distance in AB. When you are going to A to B, this distance, or if you are coming from A to C and then B, this distance, which distance is smaller here? It's very much clear that AB is smaller. That means if you will add these two, that means if you will add AC and BC, it will always be greater than AB. So this is the reason that in all the triangles you can take that sum of the lengths of any two sides will always be greater than the third side. Then there is one more property of the differences. Okay, this is the sum. Now difference of the lengths of two sides in differences, that means the difference of any two sides is always less than the third side. It will be less. Any two sides you can take it, and you are doing difference, then it will be lesser than the third side. Now I have taken B and C, so the third side is A here. If I take C minus A, so B. So this is about difference, this is about sum, and these are the properties known as inequalities, because here in this property we are using inequality sign. This is okay. So these are inequality properties, and the two properties are sum of the lengths of any two sides is greater than the third side. These two properties we are going to use in our next exercise, NCERT 6.4.